Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Ripple vs SEC. XRP holders rejoice on latest scheduling update. Here's why. According to the most recent updates by James K. Phelan in the ongoing Ripple SEC lawsuit, all motions are now fully briefed, and the judge's decision is awaited. This represents good news for XRP holders who have waited for the briefings to end. In December, Ripple and the SEC submitted their final round of briefs, asking for summary judgment in the case. As motions for summary judgment and those to exclude expert testimony have now been fully briefed, omnibus motions to seal materials relating to the summary judgment motions have also been filed by both parties. In October, Ripple announced that it now had the documents of former SEC employee William Hinman, although they are still under seal. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, raised the possibility that the SEC officials' emails may include some damning material at the WEF in Davos. Bill Hinman, a former SEC employee, said in a lecture in June 2018 that Ethereum was not a security. Ruling to arrive sometime in the coming single-digit months. An earlier prediction by James K. Phelan suggests that District Judge Torres might decide on the motions simultaneously in one big written ruling. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, expressed optimism at Davos that a resolution to the company's legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission will be reached in 2023, possibly in the first half of this year. He continues by saying that he anticipates a decision to be made sometime in the coming single-digit months, possibly as early as June. Important repercussions will be felt by both Ripple and the larger crypto market as a result of the lawsuit concerning whether XRP should be regarded as a security. In 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple and two of its executives, claiming that it offered XRP to investors in violation of the law without first registering it as a security. Ripple vs. SEC sees last scheduling update as rumors swirl about SEC supporter. The legal battle between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, received a slightly different schedule update yesterday, according to U.S. Attorney and former federal prosecutor James K. Phelan via Twitter. In fact, as of today, no further deadlines are scheduled. All documents and all reply briefs have been submitted. Everything is briefed. Now we wait, Phelan wrote. From now on, it's up to Judge Analisa Torres to make a decision based on all the arguments presented in the more than 2-year trial. As Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said in a recent interview at the World Economic Forum in Davos, no one knows how many months Torres will need to make a decision. We expect a decision from a judge certainly in 2023. You don't really have control over when a judge makes their decisions. But I'm optimistic that sometime in the coming single-digit months we'll have closure there. Remarkably, the final documents filed on Wednesday have once again led to a heated debate. The SEC filed an objection to a request by third party A to redact all references to the company and the names of certain crypto trading platforms. Ripple's letter caused even more of a stir within the XRP community. The fintech company has filed an objection to the filing of an entity declared as an investment banker declarant. This investment banker wants to hide his name from the public, as well as the company name and his position in it. The investment banker is one of the few supporters of the SEC who filed an amicus brief last year in support of the agency's motion for summary judgment. Who is turning against Ripple? Ripple wants the name of the mysterious investment banker to be disclosed. Ripple's legal team urges Judge Torres not to allow the declarant to remain anonymous because he made the declaration and entry into the case of his own free will. Top analytics platform says XRP, ADA, and SHIB are undervalued. Sentiment feed has tapped XRP, ADA, and SHIB as undervalued. The crypto analytics platform made this known in a tweet today, citing the MVRV score. Notably, the metric is usually used to identify when a crypto asset is extremely over or undervalued. It is done by deducting the asset's realized value, which represents the price of each token when it was last moved from the present market value, and dividing the result by the z-score, a measured deviation between both values. In the shared chart, Sentiment writes that the current data indicates that these assets could easily compensate for 2022 price declines. Short-term price analysis XRP, ADA, and SHIB are up 0.86%, 1.07%, and 2.07%, respectively, in the last 24 hours at press time. XRP. It is worth noting that XRP was Santiment Feed's crypto pick of the month for January. The crypto analytics platform made the call, citing potentially bullish price action and unabated whale accumulation. Notably, the asset is up over 14% from its 2023 opening price. Following an impressive rally last Friday, the 4-hour price chart shows that the price has been ranging while failing to break the highs around the 40 cents price point. XRP bulls would want to see the asset flip this resistance to support. It is trading at the $0.3887 price point at press time. Crypto whales move 356 XRP as Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit nears its end. Whale Alert, a leading cryptocurrency whale tracking service, has continued to share updates on large XRP transactions on and off crypto exchanges. In a series of tweets, Whale Alert data show that deep-pocketed crypto investors shuffled an astounding amount of 356,794,839 XRP. At press time, the funds were worth $138.8 million. An unknown whale moved $102 million worth of XRP. The most significant transaction took place around 15 hours ago. According to data from the leading cryptocurrency tracking service, an anonymous whale transferred a whopping 261,094,839, $261.09 million, XRP worth $102.4 million. It bears mentioning that an unknown whale created the recipient address yesterday. The rationale behind the large XRP movement is unknown at the time of writing. However, data from Bitomp shows that the funds are still intact in the recipient address, thus suggesting that the transaction could be for investment purposes. Whales shuffle 95.7 XRP. Aside from the above transaction, cryptocurrency whales also shuffled large amounts of XRP in the past 24 hours. Around 7 hours ago, an anonymous whale moved 28 XRP worth $10.94 million to Bitso. A few minutes later, the same anonymous whale also transferred another lump sum of 33 XRP tokens, $12.94 million, to a Bitstamp address. Whale Alert also shared details of a 34.7 XRP transaction shuffled between two whales on the Bitso cryptocurrency exchange. According to Whale Alert, the fund was worth $13.61 million at the time of the transaction. Whale's interest in XRP spikes ahead of Ripple vs. SEC ruling. The transactions indicate a growing interest in XRP among cryptocurrency investors. With the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit approaching its end, interest in the sixth largest cryptocurrency has been revived. Many people, including Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, expect the lawsuit to be resolved in the first half of 2023. As reported, the lawsuit is fully briefed before Judge Annalisa Torres. Notably, Ripple and the SEC are asking Judge Torres to rule in their favor. If she grants a ruling in Ripple's favor, the price of XRP will spike tremendously. However, a win for the SEC could plunge the crypto asset's price by a large margin. Regardless, whales seem unbothered as they continue to move hundreds of millions of XRP daily. German VC invests in Ripple in anticipation of its IPO. Per a press release yesterday, German venture capitalist Tokentis Investment AG has invested in US blockchain payments firm Ripple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.